Today we are making almost an iconic Canadian treat, only it's no longer available in Canada. I'm referring to the cherry blossom. And if you're wondering, well, what's that? Too bad you missed it. They are no longer making cherry blossoms. It's part of the new time, and welcome to spring season. You know it's spring when bees start coming out and attacking you. And I have a bug bite here on my hand. Anyways, I am making a tribute to the spring season with a cherry blossom variation. Stick around and I will show you just how to make your own cherry blossom brownies. We're going to put the best of the memory into a brownie bar topped and encased with the beautiful maraschino cherry. So if you want to make this dessert, number one, it is a Canadian thing. Two, it makes a great little dessert. It's a tiny little bite that you can serve your guests in a game. So you are going to need a mini hockey puck-like tray for mini muffins. So a shout out to our little birdies, Nugget and Penelope. Some of these are theirs, actually. So we are using 9 approximately quail eggs to make 2 equivalent large eggs. We are using this brownie mix and using it as directed, 1/2 cup vegetable oil with 1 pouch. So that's what I did, and that worked. There's Nugget. Hi, Nugget. Hi, Nugget. Oh, Nugget and Penelope. There they are. Hello. Hello. Where's their eggs? Ooh, look at them all. And a shout out to my viewers. This is a new appliance. I hope you like it. Picked red because I thought that would be very fitting, being this is Canadian cooking. So we are going to start with 1 pack of brownie mix, whatever you have, because there's lots of varieties. Just going to put that in our bowl. And like everything else in your kitchen, you should have lots of joy and happiness. So I put a little bee on my bowl just for fun. We're going to start by sprinkling some kisses and love on here. And we're adding our 1/2 cup of vegetable oil next. So I pre-measured it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, yes. That goes in. And now the cherry blossom had little coconut shredded flakes in it. But I have found that for this 1 pack mixture, that's about all you need. Keep it or pack it in your little cup. What is that? 1/2 cup? Yes. All right. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Love coconut flakes. To use the same amount of chunky peanut butter. Now you could just go with peanuts by themselves, but I didn't have any. So again, I'm using what I have. So I'm going to just quickly measure out 1/2 cup of chunky peanut butter. This might take a while. We'll be right back because you see how thick it is. Oh, yum. Doesn't that look good? That's a 1/2 cup of peanut butter, chunky peanut butter. That is going into our little machine pot next. Whoops. All right, that's totally Canadian right there. There, I better clean that out. Then we need our 9 quail eggs. I'll just go ahead and cut these open with a very special quail cutter. If you've never seen one of these before, I'll show you how you can cut one right now. Find the little egg, and it'll have a little pointy top more than a blunt end. And then you place the snipper. Are you watching this? This is the trickiest part. You have to be coordinated and quick to do this, or you can make a mess or actually crunch the egg with your fingers. Okay, have a bowl ready. One for the shell. And we'll put the shell in that and keep the egg in that. I like to keep it visual because when you get fast with this, sometimes you accidentally put the shell right in the pot that you want to keep. Anyways, okay, so the fitted end goes over the lid. Okay, there's only one way it really goes. There's the shear, and then there's the little loop that fits. Okay, you ready? You snip, drop it, plop it, shake, and then put the other egg in. Here, we'll do another one. Oh, okay. I see there'll be eggshell in that one. Whoops! Darn it, I dropped it again. These are slippery. Some of them are hard to hold. They're really little, you know. This takes a skill. Get rid of the lid. Plop, drop. How little they are? That's 8. That's 8. We'll cut 9 here. Maybe we'll go 10. A nice metric number. Yes, that. So, okay. Here's 10. I'm approximating that's equivalent to 2 eggs. Next, because there's a chance of shell in here, I need to blend this really fast with my egg beater. Let it set for 2 minutes. I usually listen to some music then, and then I come back, and then we'll pour this off, and the egg shells should stick or cling to the end of the bowl. So we'll come back in 2 minutes. I'll share something that might be a tip, whether or not this is something you might do yourself. I have one of those little candle warmers, and sometimes when I am preparing or greasing my pans, the coconut oil is solid and I can't brush it onto my barbecue brush to coat my pans. And you see how it's kind of chunky and lumpy when I kind of glop it in there. You can't really microwave it because that's dangerous. And you shouldn't really microwave an oil because that's generally unsafe. So I put my tray on my little candle warmer, and after a few minutes I can smooth the little gloppy bits around a little better, and then it's more fully covered. And I decided to coat my little pucky tray, and the spare puck tray, this is larger for the larger blossom effect. Oh, there, see how it's working? It's liquid there, and then it just needs to warm up everywhere else. Ooh, let's not forget that cherry juice, 1/3 cup going in. And we still have to put those eggs in. We'll do that next. Action shot. Pour those eggs into our bowl. Here, do this one-handed. See how the foam makes the shell stick? Any eggshell will stay behind. There, that's good enough. Done. It's so exciting! This is the first time I am using my new machine on my channel. So, I hope you like it. Here we go. Whoops. I practiced this earlier. Okay, ready? We're just going to blend everything together gently until it's well mixed. Okay, powering it up now. Do you like the effect? It has blue illumination. Do you see that? Oh, fun. Okay, here we go. Oh, I should have put the I should have put the other little cover thing on it. Oh well. Oh, it's so exciting! Look at it go! Oh, that didn't take long. That's amazing. Here, let me bring you closer. You could see this yourself. This is so amazing. Okay, we're going to scrape all the batter down and preheat that oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Last time I made these, it took 17 minutes in the oven. Now, as a tip, I found a little conventional ice cream scooper, and we'll just take a moment and we'll put all these in. We'll just fill a little at a time. These made a full batch of mini muffins and 7 more medium-sized muffins. And they are going to be delicious. Okay, they're going in now. While we're waiting for the oven to cook these up, don't forget, if you like my video, maybe hit that gloves up button. And better yet, if you know a friend or think of somebody that likes hockey and is watching hockey games or just needs something to cook real fast, don't forget to share it and smack that puck. Thank you. So here's a little trick. I poke my stick in and give it a spin. See that? And then that helps them get out of the tray that much earlier. Kind of like curling. Give them a spin and they'll come out much easier. There it is. The cherry blossom brownies. Aren't they gorgeous? For spring. Let's have one together. There's little ones, big ones. I'll just grab one. A big one. I grabbed a big one. Now, if these aren't chocolate enough for you, you could always turn them over and drizzle some extra chocolate on them for effect. But they're plenty chocolate. That's nice. Until next time. Oh, speaking of next time, the clocks go ahead pretty soon. Here's another little nugget for you. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for sticking to the end. If you like this video, consider sharing, subscribing, or maybe even forward it along to that special friend that likes hockey. Until next time, do take care, and au revoir. I'm gonna have another one.